Yo, Adam Saxon with Guy in a Cube, and can't believe we've been doing Guy in a Cube for 8.5 years now, and it's been a journey. We've seen Power BI grow into what it is today, including inside of Microsoft Fabric, but we have to say goodbye. I mean that we have to say goodbye to this office. Moving back up to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, month of July, month of August, it's been a little spotty. That is because we're in the process of moving and having to do a whole bunch of stuff. So apologies for that. But one thing, looking back on the office space that I've had, out of the 8.5 years, 4.5 years of that, so the majority of the time for Guy in a Cube, I've been in this office. And I was looking back at the transition from when I first started in the actual cubicle out at the Las Colinas office in the DFW area to we run a transitional rental home and then finally into this home. The evolution of the office space for me has been exciting and fun, both from the gear that I've had from equipment perspective, as well as just the fun things that I have behind me. My kids telling me that they were the only adult they knew that bought stuffed animals. So take that for what it's worth. And it's been fun. I've enjoyed it. And I'm excited to see what I'll do in the next office. It won't be exactly the same thing of what you see behind me now. So I'll figure out something new and I'll play around with things and just experiment a little bit. All right, so we've got to get to packing. Let's do it. All right, the room is empty. We are moving stuff up to the new house and gonna rebuild the office. I'm excited to see what kind of design we can come up with to get that shaped correctly. Just look and feel. It's a blank canvas, and maybe I'll put a couple of happy little trees there to sort it out. So trees being computers. So, all right, let's get this move done.